In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a desktop shortcut for Microsoft Word on a Windows computer. We'll go through this step-by-step process that can help enhance your efficiency when accessing Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. By creating a shortcut, you'll be able to open your favorite applications directly from your desktop without having to wade through menus or search for them each time. Let's dive in. First, let's head to your desktop. This is the main screen of your computer where you can view all saved files, folders, and shortcuts. It's often the first thing you see when logging in. Having a clean and organized desktop can significantly streamline your work process, so creating shortcuts to key applications is a great way to start. Next, let's utilize the Windows search bar, usually located at the bottom left of your screen on the taskbar. Go ahead and type Word into the search bar. Microsoft Word should appear in the search results. Now, instead of just opening it, we need to right-click on the Word application. After right-clicking, select Open File Location from the options. This step is crucial because it directs you to the exact location where Microsoft Word is installed on your system. Once you find yourself at the installation location, it's time to make a shortcut. Right-click on the Word icon again, and now you'll see a Send To option. Hover over Send To, and another menu will appear. From here, select Desktop, Create Shortcut. This action tells your computer to make a shortcut and place it on your desktop, providing easy access whenever you need to launch Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. You should now see a brand new shortcut icon on your desktop. The beauty of this method is that once the shortcut is created, launching Microsoft Word is as simple as double-clicking this new icon directly from your desktop. No more navigating through the Start menu or searching for the program each time you want to use it. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a desktop shortcut for Microsoft Word, making it much quicker and easier to access. Over time, you might consider creating similar shortcuts for other programs or files you frequently use. Shortcuts are a handy tool for keeping your digital workspace efficient and organized, saving you precious time in your daily workflow. Thank you for following along. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to understand. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. See you in the next video.